Risks. That's about making sure bad stuff doesn't happen, right?
It's actually uncertainty of outcome. Risks could be good or bad.
I guess a risk could be that we finish the mobile travel app before the planned completion date?
Exactly.
So, what's risk management?
It's taking action to increase the probability of a positive outcome or decreasing the probability of a negative outcome.
So one example of risk management is adding an additional developer, which increases the probability that the app will be completed ahead of schedule.
Right, and taking it a bit further, it could mean using a student developer. The cost would be low, but if the student developer does a great job, the upside could be high. The downside risk is that the additional cost results in no improvement in the speed of development, or that the student even slows the other developers.
Risk management is about making good decisions about the trade-offs between costs, limiting downside risk, and taking advantage of upside risk.
I like how you never said, ensure success.
There are no guarantees with projects. Good risk management only improves the probability of success.
Daniel now understands risk and what risk management is.